It's the morning of the 9th. It's raining all day. It's gonna rain all day tomorrow. It's gonna rain all day the next day. So might as well start getting used to it. The station at 19E is a nice place. There's very few of us here, surprisingly. I highly recommend you guys come check it out. If you do, for dinner, get the hiker mac and cheese. It was one of the best meals I've ever had in my life. And not just because I'm on trail. Like, I would eat that all the time if I could. All right. I got to walk down the road about a half mile that way to get back to trail. Let's see if my hike ends here. It is raining still. I really don't like walking in the rain. I have to wear full rain gear. And I feel like it's not even really doing anything, because either I'm sweating or the rain seeps through anyways. So it gets to the point where it's like, I don't know if it's even worth wearing rain gear. It's supposed to rain for 2 more days, pretty much all day, every day. Everything's gonna be wet. I will forget what dryness is. I'm pretty sure that I will be wet for eternity. It is time to embrace the wetness. Water is the essence of life. It may look like I'm in just a pine forest, but I'm not. I'm in a farm. If you notice, all these trees are planted in straight lines. Could have fooled me for a second, but you didn't. I wonder if these are like a recovery planting or a timber planting. It's not a ton here for timber, but maybe. "400 miles. Boy, it's interesting to think about that I've done 400 in 1 month and 1 day. I guess I'm moving pretty well, although I think overall I've been kind of lucky with the weather. I did have the crazy snow. I have had scattered rain here and then. But considering the AT, it's supposed to rain like 1/3 of the days pretty much. It looks like I'm finally getting to experience that in month 2. I'm really thankful that my body has held out so far and that it's still going. I feel much stronger. I was talking to Frodo yesterday about it. My legs are twice as strong as what they used to be. I can carry my pack so much better. I can power through the hills and I can fly down the hills so much better than I could before. I have less aches and pains at the end of the day because my muscles are absorbing the impact as opposed to my joints. 400 down, 1,796 to go. Oh, there's somebody else doing a 400-mile marker. I hope that my body continues to hold out for me. I'm at Jones's Falls. It's a nice little side trail, barely off the Appalachian Trail. Pretty nice. Although for you, Sabertooth, I give this only a 2 out of 10. You know why. And a friendly reminder, waterfalls are dangerous. There's a nice river I get to walk by. If it wasn't raining, I would seriously consider just washing up or taking a swim. But it is raining, so I'm already wet. So what's the point? Mountaineer Falls. Gotta look down first for footing. You just step in the water, really. I'm about 0.2 miles away from a shelter. I'm gonna get out of the rain. I'm gonna eat. Ugh. Ooh. Please have a roof. Please have a roof. Please have a roof. Yes. I don't know if Proto passed me or not today. Maybe he's here. Mountaineer Fall Shelter. I'm sick of the rain.
Did you see the little waterfall?
Yeah.
Did you see the big waterfall?
I did. Did you go off trail for it?
Not yet.
It was pretty cool.
To see if I still feel, I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting slowly fell apart, and I'm staring down the barrel of a 45, swimming through the ashes of another life. No real reason to accept the way things have changed, staring down the barrel of a 45.
Staying at Mountain Falls Shelter tonight. The rain just beat it out of me for the beginning of the afternoon. Got in at like 1 at the shelter and just like decided not to push. It started raining again just now, so like probably would have been setting my tent up around now if I had kept hiking. Tomorrow I'm gonna look to do a full 18. It's supposed to be scattered showers at least, not like a constant rain all day, so that should be much better. Gonna try to get to bed early, wake up early, start hiking. See you tomorrow.